Governor of Bank Indonesia in 2003 and 2007. The panelists for today's event, Prof. Ralph Dean Christie, Prof. Iwan Jaya Aziz, Leslie Verteramo Chiu from Cornell University, and William Torbeck from Japan's Research Institute of Economy, Trade and Industry. Moderator of today's seminar this evening, Lin Fu from Cornell University, Mrs. Nining I. Susilo, Board Member of Center of Sharia Economic and Business, Faculty of Economics and Business, University of Indonesia. Distinguished guests from Bank Indonesia, Financial Service Agency OJK, Ministry of Finance, KSSK Secretariat, and from industry. Our colleagues from fellow deposit insurance corporations who join online this evening. And also, last but not least, all distinguished guests representing the business sector, academia, policymakers, and MSMEs join us this evening, both in person and virtually. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good evening to all of you. It is a great honor and pleasure for me as the Executive Director of Strategic Management and Policy Formulation in LPS to welcome you all this evening. On this occasion, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all our distinguished speakers, moderator, and participants of the IDIC Cornell University International Seminar on Strengthening Economic Resilience amidst global uncertainty through fostering the Global South MSMEs networks. Bapak Ibu, ladies and gentlemen, today's seminar marks another important milestone in IDIC's ongoing commitment in fostering regional and global dialogue. Building upon our previous high-level engagements, this international seminar reaffirms our dedication to strengthen financial system resilience, especially by empowering micro, small, and medium enterprises, or we call MSMEs, as pillars of inclusive economic growth. This forum, especially timely, as Indonesia approaches its 80th independence anniversary, we find ourselves at a critical moment in realizing the 2045 Golden Indonesia vision. Within this vision, MSMEs become a central force in driving economic inclusion, employment, innovation, and sustainability. Beyond national boundaries, today's event provides a platform to explore MSME cooperation across the Global South. Emerging economics from Asia to Africa and Latin America can unlock shared opportunities by fostering collaboration between our nations. Discussion this evening in Indonesia, in Jakarta, maybe it's morning in USA, I guess. We'll also examine how technology, access to finance, and inclusive investment can be leveraged to elevate MSME capacity and resilience, in turn contributing to global financial stability and prosperity. Distinguished panelists and guests, Bapak Ibu, amidst ongoing global uncertainties, the Indonesian economy continues to demonstrate remarkable resilience. Our economy keeps growing and primarily supported by the domestic consumption. It's important to emphasize that Indonesia's economy is fundamentally driven by domestic demand. Our solid performance was supported by the stable growth in household consumption, which expanded by 4.97% and remains the largest contribution to our GDP, almost 55%. In the investment side, it also grows, which contributes to our economic growth. In this context, MSMEs become increasingly vital, with over 64 million MSMEs contributing more than 61% to our GDP, and those MSMEs absorbing 97% of total employment. Empowering this sector is paramount to maintain or even to bolster Indonesia's growth momentum. As domestic demand continues to serve as the backbone of our economy, ensuring that MSMEs have the tools financing, and digital access they need will be critical in translating macroeconomic resilience into inclusive and sustainable development. This is precisely why today's forum is so important for us. By bringing together experts, policymakers, and development partners from across the Global South, this event offers an opportunity to explore how we can work together to build stronger MSME ecosystem in Indonesia and also other emerging markets. This evening, we have the distinct privilege of hearing from distinguished panel of thought leaders and policy experts representing both Indonesia and the international academic community. Our first expertise will help us explore how MSMEs can be empowered to serve as a robust drivers of domestic economic growth across the Global South. A crucial role in safeguarding financial system stability. MSMEs in becoming not only resilient participants in the global economy, but also drivers of the sustainable change.